this is the formula. And I went on, and since you were dividing like bases, that's x minus w. Subtract your exponents when you're dividing. So we need to do what's in parentheses first. So this is x, w, w. So here, this is x. See how this comes first is x? And what follows the circle is w. So that would be 2 to the x, which is 3, minus 1. X minus w, x minus w. And of course, that's 2 squared, and 2 squared is 4. So now let's do 4, I'm going to call it circle 3. So that means this is x, and this is w. So that's 2 to the x, 2 to the 4, minus 3, which is 2 to the first. So there's your answer.